Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these mini twists. This is my favorite hairstyle to do because it is super low maintenance and it's pretty quick to do. These are free parts, so like none of these parts are the same size. They're all different sizes. It's just a quick and easy hairstyle, and it lasts a pretty long time. You don't need no tools, just hair and your real hair. It's just a DIY hairstyle. I am in no way a hairstylist. I just do my own hair. That's pretty much it. I'm not a professional, just showing you guys how to do what I do. It's just, a quick little video to show you guys how I achieve this look because, summertime coming up and we need to keep our hair protected, ends tucked, hair oiled, all that type of stuff. And they're like full, and I didn't even use a full pack of hair. I still had like a whole bundle left. I don't know exactly how long it took me, but I watched all 9 episodes of BMF, and I was done with the last episode of BMF. I was done with my hair. And it wasn't like a straight on thing. I took a couple breaks, but every time I was twisting my hair, I was watching BMF. So in the middle are bigger than the ones on the surrounding, just because like who's going to see the middle of my head anyway, and I was trying to get done. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 methods. One way is with the crochet hook. You do need one tool, I guess, but you don't need it though. You can either do it without the crochet hook or with it. Only difference is with the crochet hook, it's more secure, but it's also harder to take out. And then without the crochet hook, it's a little less secure, but it's easy to take out. If you see when I do it, to take it out, you literally just, so if you wrap the hair around that way, like this, then you just twist the lock that way and it'll slide right out. But with the crochet hook, you have to, so if you did one with the crochet hook, you'll have to cut wherever your hair is. So I say about like here or here, I don't really know. You cut wherever your hair is, and then you'll have to just untwist that way after you cut the rest of the lock off. It's just a shorter takedown process if you don't use the crochet hook, but if you like your hair to be more secure and you ain't playing about your hair, then you probably should use a crochet hook. Hopefully you already seen those styles that I had, so let's get to it. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you find it to be as quick and easy as I found it to be. Let's get into the tutorial. You're about to see how to do it. It's going to be cute. You should do it. Okay, so you want to start with some gel. Any gel works, but this one's just going to smell good. Then you're going to put it on your hair and then braid at the roots of the twist braid or whatever. And then you're going to get some more gel and twist all the way down. And then you just roll the hair in between your fingers as you twist to get it in locked nice and tight. Then you add a little bit more gel. I'm going ahead of the video, sorry. But you add a little bit more gel to the end to lock in the moisture or whatever. Then you're going to get a really small piece of hair, really small, and then you're going to make one side longer than the other one, and then so the shorter side you're going to put it with your real hair, and then so you're going to put your real hair in the short side into only one hand, and you're going to grab it as tight as you can and put your hand as close to the root of your hair, and then you're going to take the longer piece and wrap it around your hair and the shorter piece of the weave. And you're going to keep wrapping like you would do for faux locks, and you're going to wrap all the way down until your real hair is completely covered. And then once your full hair is covered, you can just start to twist down, like you twist the rest of the weave down after you cover your hair up with the wrapping method. And then once you got it twist down, you seal the end by doing a little loop. You just basically bend it up, and then you just wrap it upward now, wrap the rest of the hair up onto the lock. And you don't have to do that little finger twisting. It's just something I do on accident, I don't know. But then you seal it by tying a knot. Hopefully you understand. I don't know how to explain it, but you just loop it around your finger, tie a knot, and then you wrap the little excess around the top until you have no more. Then you're going to get a little bit of gel and just palm roll the rest of the twist. Now for the crochet method, you're going to take the same amount of hair, but you're just going to use the crochet hook this time. So you're going to put the crochet hook through your little tiny braid twist thing, and then you are going to crochet the hair into your twist. And then same thing you did last time, take the short side of the weave and grab your hair along with it. The short side of the weave with your real hair, and you wrap the longer piece around. Same way you did last time, only difference is you're crocheting it in this time. So you can just watch see it a second time, and you can always rewind if it's going too fast for you or if you're not understanding because I don't really know how to explain it, but you know, hopefully you can just watch. You just wrap it all the way around until you can't see your hair anymore, then twist the bottom, tie it, and you're good. Pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you try to style, comment below and tell me how you like it. Literally, I do not like to tie my hair down. That's why I always do these mini twists. I just throw on a bonnet and call it a day because they're like literally so low maintenance. I've only had them for a day now. I like the more natural looking, like they kind of look like sister locks or micro locks kind of. So that's kind of look I'm going for. Faux locks, false locks, however you say, I don't know. But I start off like that and then I just twist down. So they're really twist and locks, but I just like the size. It's super duper 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 cute. And I seen that comment about the makeup tutorial. I have on a little bit of makeup right now, but you can barely see. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial on this look. Picture should be right here. But yeah, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial on this look because that is my favorite makeup look to do, and it takes me about 20 minutes, if even that. Shortest I say is 10. But yeah, that's my favorite makeup look, and yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all a makeup tutorial, I promise. And this gel, I'm gonna link it down below. It's not really for type 4 hair, it's really liquidy. Like the consistency is not thick at all. So see, it's like really loose, but I use it for the twist, and it's covered up anyway, and it smells so good. I don't put anything on my parts. I just braid it with the gel on my hands and then wrap it around. So because you don't want any buildup, because depending on how long you're gonna have these, I keep mine there for a pretty long time, so depending on how long you're gonna have them in, you don't want to have buildup in your scalp and stuff like that. Just throw on a bonnet, put on any style, put in any style you want, and keep your scalp oiled, and your hair is gonna grow like crazy. I've been doing this style for a couple months now. And so my mom did a big chop in my hair, and it's grown at least 2 to 4 inches, I say, just because when you have it like this, you're not touching your hair, you're not putting the heat on it, you know, it's just doing its own thing. I just put them in my hair, don't bother oil my hair. When it's time to take them out, once they like grown out so much to where they look like a mess, sometimes I'll touch it up around it, or I'll just take them out and start over. This is the hair. I will link the hair, a crochet hook. You can get it from the beauty supply, but I'll link a crochet hook down below, and then I'll also link this gel. This is, it says it's $8.99, but I think it's like actually $7 because the beauty supply that's by my house, they like 30% off, but they just upcharge and then take 30% off, so it can be the original price. So I don't think it's actually $8.99. It's probably like $6-7. I don't know. That it only take 1 pack of hair, if even 1 pack, because I had a whole bundle left after I did my whole head, and you see it's pretty full. And I have my glasses on this video, so don't be judging me because they are really thick. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one, and if you're interested in that makeup tutorial, that's going to be my next video, so check that out. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.